whatever you said, whatever you about to say, will be recorded for the next 25 minutes. You heard?
Discretion. Okay.
Giving you some discretion. Give me some discretion. Let me get some water.
I will follow this girl though. That DJ session was kind of going hard.
What else was hard?
Everybody needs
Pause.
the vibes.
What else was? You didn't hear me? Ah, bro, I seen this meme on YouTube. I mean Instagram. It's like waking up. It's not the only. It's the second hardest thing to do in the morning. I was like, bro. Bro, you's a fool. It's my back test. Let's go. Shit, what year I'm gonna start back testing on July 20. It was Zoom. I'm back testing. See me make some profits, man. Or not. It's up to your ass. Shit, I'm gonna explain what I'm doing and what I want to see in the market. You decide to stay, that's on you. It's on you. Yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Okay, so it's July 2023. Damn. July 2023. What day it is? It's Monday. I don't want to mark up nothing because really kind of broke this. This came back to bounce. What's up, Alex? Say something, Alex. Say something. Hey, barely sweating in this bit. What's in with it? Bro, not gonna lie, I'm kind of thirsty. Before I start my timer, I'm gonna go get some water. So, if y'all don't see, damn, my room looking a mess. I don't want to get up.
Not the streamer aesthetic.
I don't have the aesthetic right now. But my room Aurora is trash right now. Not gonna lie, my room Aurora is negative 3,000 right now. All right, starting. Boom. I'm about to go. About to back test for around 25 minutes. And if you ain't got 25 minutes, then that's on you. You know, you can learn a lot in 25. It's like a class, you know, cause short class period. So right now, like market kind of broke this old high. I'm trying to mark it up right now. So that was a good resistance point. See that it broke, indicated, came back and broke above it. Be on the hour. I'm really practicing for options, my option calls and puts and all that stuff. Man, Alex, what's up, man? Say hi to Alex. What's down? Hey, thanks for the love, G.
Poppin' Alex, welcome to the Money Maker.
Wake up to the. You want to join the Discord so you can be heard too, Christian, or you just?
Yeah, I will.
All right. Want to be in chit chat?
Yeah. Come on, Michael.
I bet. Money moves. About to make some money moves. About to make some money.
Promoted to free access. Join bio. We're not talking about
No.
Talking about something that actually matters.
Okay, Alex. Ask me any questions, man. Feel free, um, feel free. Can you hear me? Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, there we go. You can be heard on the Discord too, bro. They can hear you, Alex. Say what I am to Money C, Money Fat Lots Dropper. But so it's freaking Monday. And low key, I'm just getting to the market. I want to see what's actually the vibes. All right. The price. I want to low key wait out this whole week and see how price moves. What day it is? Tuesday. Oh,
You should get a vertical line and just put it on Friday close and then just,
You can just play it out, and then you don't have to sit there and watch it.
Oh,
You see what I'm
that's
saying?
true. That's true. You're right.
What I do.
You're right. You're right. Too. I don't have that vertical. I think
Set the trend line ones up
it's
there.
all T.
Below the you see the vertical trend line at the top?
Yeah, I know 'em. Like you can see what day it is.
That tab. No, up there. The next tab up. The next tab up.
This one.
No, up, not
This
down.
one. There we
Up.
go.
Up
Found
one
it.
more. Yep, yep,
I
yep.
just found it. All right. So what is Friday? So this is Tuesday. Tuesday and Friday. All right, boom. So that's Friday. Okay, I'm about to be scalping. About to be scalping, and we about to make some bread scalping, but still don't know. Still like not comfortable where the market's at, because market has hit this resistance level right here, and it has not broken through it. Let me mark it up. So I like to mark things up for my viewers. So this is the 15-minute resistance, minimum resistance right here. And then this old resistance right here has become support. Old resistance right here has come support. Boom. This on the 15. Look on the hour. Market is still trending up, but what I see is we kind of I'm going to 4 hour. We kind of oversold and kind of tapped out twice. Like we hitting a triple top. I don't trade um those kind of I don't trade any kind those kind of I don't trade those type of patterns, but it's definitely showing like right here prices topping out. Let me show y'all a little better. So my resistance right here on the 15. Let's see. Ooh, price jump
Full
above.
highs get sketchy.
Yeah, yeah, trading highs is sketchy, bro. Because it's like we don't know if we're at the very top. I could literally get in, and the market really just pull back hard as hell. So it's just like being patient. All about being patient. And if it decides to fly, it's gonna fly. So we missed that week. We just were patient. And okay, I want it to come back. And if it comes back, I'm definitely ready to enter. Actually, let me mark my next vertical line. This Friday. Okay, so damn. Do you see how weak I'm on a 1 hour? That's fucking right. Just start. Let me see. Boom, Friday. Let me get off the 1 hour, man. Time's going too quick on that. All right, a little bit. And then you can see that how many you can see how many candlesticks you really have. It's different. You know what's crazy, Christian? What I noticed
Hmm.
on the stock market is like you have way less candlesticks because the market's only open from 8 to 3 o'clock.
Oh yeah, the gaps. But I think it's actually now that we're gonna be trading options. I was waiting. I was actually gonna see if you were gonna say, oh wait, this is the futures one. I think the gaps are good because that can help you predict with the open the actual futures price of if it's gonna fill the gap or not. But these are overnight gaps. So technically on a real SPX chart, those gaps won't be there, but this is what it is, and this is what creates buying or selling interest on the options market because it could come back to the overnight low.
No, yeah, I'm seeing.
You've got these big gaps. So assuming that you bought a couple day contract out, like if you would have bought by the 15-minute resistance, type what you typed over there. If you would have bought a put when it was ranging over there on that line way to the left, right there in the middle, that little island.
Right here,
Nope, to the left,
right here.
to the left, to the left. right there. If you would have bought a put there for Friday, it would have gapped down and you would have overnight been up, a
No, for
lot of
sure.
percent just from that gap. You could have closed it,
'Cause this was
could have
on
held,
Monday.
and then
Price
still
was here.
closed right there.
Price was here Monday. It was consolidating here.
And if you really look at it, bro, actually from what we saw today, that gap down and then that fill up literally looked like what we saw today, kind
No,
of,
I'm seeing
where
it
it
too.
sold down and then it went up and then it sold back down, but it didn't break the low and then it went back up. That's like low key the exact pattern we saw in the market today.
No, for sure. And then like and then indication. Damn, but
I don't like trading the double tops either,
yeah,
especially
it's tough to
trading an
trade
all-time
these.
hard market. That's
Yeah,
something we've been trading all year, and it's been kind of
yeah,
tough
it's tough
because
because it's
it's
like you
hard
don't
to trust this
know.
money's just going to keep coming in. It's going to keep breaking highs because it takes money to get those levels. Shout
Right.
out to Sai. That's what he says. Anybody watching?
No,
The
because
market doesn't just go up because people wanted to go up. There has to be liquid dollars invested into the market for it to go up. So
right, and
for it to
then
break a
there's
level like that,
this pullback is high likely, and I'll probably this is a good sell right here. I'll take the sell
you could get an early indication by drawing a trend line on a shorter time frame.
I'll take
You
this
know, you
sell
can
right
tie that in
here.
with a Fibby.
But and then how long would I hold it for? I'm gonna use this right here. So boom. Then my TP's right here. So I'm holding this contract. Let's imagine this is next Friday.
You want to hold it till next Friday?
I'm gonna hold it till next Friday. So boom.
You might be able to edit your long position. Watch, click on it,
Yeah, I can edit. What you mean?
right click it, and you can set it to a date and probably drag it all the way over. No, like the little drawing, not your actual position. The little drawing,
Oh,
the
this
long, the little drawing. Yeah, the green and the red. Yeah, click on that. I'll go to settings.
settings.
See the little icon? Yeah, and then where is it?
Plus size. Where?
Entry price, profit.
There's no
No,
you
I was
can't.
just wondering.
I
I was
don't
just
think you
wondering.
can
I
do
was
that
wondering if you
shit.
could set it for an amount of
All
candles,
right,
and if
let's
you
see. Let's
could,
see if it ends up going my way or just continues up. Cause I sold pretty high. So
it's a little bit of range in action. Slight downtrend.
oh man, I would have gone
Right
out.
here,
Yeah.
yeah, I would be protecting or cutting this because
Let's see.
it made that small
No,
lower
look,
high and then didn't
it's
bounce.
probably gonna move my way. Nope.
Now it could be hedge fund money where it took your
Mm-mm.
stop out because of the psychological stop, and now it could drop. But this would, from a trader's perspective, be a loss.
There's a loss on
Or the
my
market
side.
was on steroids and just kept pumping, wasn't ready for a big sell.
Nah, for real. But like me looking at it, if I zoom out, it's like man, price is just pumping. That's what thing
That's
about.
something about trading a really bullish
Oh, the
all-time hard
my,
market. It doesn't
it's
have to come
pumping.
back to resistances. That's why, like what that dude told me today, sometimes trading the short-term trend lines is
Mm-hmm.
better because it literally doesn't have to
Just
come back
come
to a
back.
resistance. It
It
could
just
just
could go
use the trend line as a temporary resistance
and
for
just keep
literally
going
days,
type shit.
weeks, and just be a straight curve up. And we're sitting there, like I told him, so many entries I've missed because we wanted to come down to resistance, and it just doesn't do that.
It just continues because it's so bullish. It's so freaking bullish.
I've learned that about myself, and I told him that today. I was like, it's really hard to trade a market that's going directly in one direction, especially when you expect it to have some kind of
I think
exhaustion. When it
our
shows no
brains,
exhaustion,
yeah,
it's
our
just,
brains is like thinking of it like this, where we're like, it gotta come down, right? And that's why
yeah,
we end
but
up
it
making
doesn't.
that dumb play. Like right there, it's like it
Yeah,
wasn't a bad play because market is kind of oversold, like
it's not
overbought,
bad. It's overbought.
but the market, this market is still uptrending. You know what I'm saying? So that's still
Yeah.
on me. I should be like, okay, I should really not be looking for sales. I should really still be looking for
See, so
pullbacks and then re-entries type shit.
if you would have drawn that trend line from right where your 15-minute support text is, if you would have drawn it from that low that bounced all the way up to that high, it pretty much never broke that.
All right.
And so technically, from a trend line perspective, it was like still valid buys, even though it was super bullish. But the sell could have definitely happened as well.
All
But
right.
I think that in any kind of bullish market like this, that sometimes we can get caught up trying to catch the monster short when the overall fucking
Yeah,
market is,
selling.
excuse my French, buying the entire time, and the
Oh, for
sale
sure.
comes out of nowhere and it comes quick, and it
Comes.
gets bought up equally as quick. If you look at all those sales, bro, the whole grand scheme of things is going up, but the sell candles will be one, two, three red candles, and then what happens? Maybe a little stall out, or literally just an inverse reaction bull. And
See,
that's
look,
this is
look.
in a bull
You
market.
would have. If let's say the person sold right here,
Get tricked in again.
you got played. You got played. But look, price. There's indication right here. I see indication, and it's on Friday too.
Yeah, it's nice to do those blue lines from open to close because it shows how many days the price action is never just straight up. It's always a little V, an inverse V. It's just range. So it
Yeah,
technically starts, it opens at one price and just pretty much ranges $20 in one direction or the other direction.
yeah. And I'm looking at it right now.
And you're on the 1 hour.
This is a 4 hour, and I'm on a one. All
That
right,
4 hour trend line.
all right. Let's go on to 15 actually, because I'm really trying to catch scalps and stuff. Okay, so price. So this is the range. This is the no trade zone. I'm really not supposed to be trading in between here, unless it's like I see strong indication that price wants to continue downward or upward. So right here, I know market is high, but price is above resistance on the 15. So I'm gonna set this up. It's gonna be a one-to-one trade. How long am I be in this? So imagine this is a contract. I'm gonna hold this for 2 days because this is
Make it a 1 to 5, but you secure profit at a 1 to 1.
all right. So yeah,
Or at least a 1 to 2. We make fun of 1 to 1s, but it's possible.
it's possible, but like
As long as your
indication,
actual true 1 to 1,
my indication told me that that's where
I'm
price can be headed to.
I'm only okay with 1 to 1s most of the time if I had to make it a 1 to 1 because my stop loss had to be huge because of where I entered, which means most of the time my stop loss I wouldn't let it go all the way to my stop loss
God
on a
damn,
1 to 1.
I'm getting cooked.
That's range. That would have
Range.
beta burned you, but from
I
a
would have
trader
been into.
perspective, we probably might have left or just been sitting there like,
Oh,
okay,
for
this
sure.
is shitty price action. Market open the next day, gap down. It's
But
kind
it
of crazy
ranged. No,
because
no,
from
no. You
a
look at it. I'm looking at it right. Look, Christian. Literally ranged from like Monday all the way to. But like, you know what I noticed too? I should have considered. It's the beginning. It's the end of the month. Price always ranges at the end of every single month. You notice that, right? You never noticed that?
not fully, but I will say, looking at this chart from a
Like, let me see. Let me show
perspective
you.
now with the gaps, if you really think about it,
Yeah,
a
got
lot of
caught
these
in
gaps
range.
are overnight moves. And what happens in overnight to move the
Yo,
stock market in America? That's the London session. So a lot of these gaps are literally just like the London session volume that moved it between London and New York open. But since we only trade the options through the New York exchange, we literally can't trade the London session on options. So it's kind of crazy to see how the London session does get a lot of volume, but these gaps they look crazy some of these days.
but I look at it sometimes like this though, where um I'm pretending like see my where my trend is like this thing is just showing how long I have my thing for. So I'm holding this
Yeah,
into next week.
I
So this
see. I see.
contract, so I'm buying this contract into next week. Let me mark up Friday. Friday 2:30. Boom. Let's see. Price can continue downward. Play this bitch. There it is. Ah. Oh shit. I'm in some money though. I'm in some money. So right there, I would have left with $600. I would have
If
left.
you trail and stopped that right there, yeah.
Yeah, I would have left for like it went down to like 3,000, like almost 2,000.
Well, now you can test the mental of if the trail and stop, you make that. If you held it all the way through to TP, what would have happened? Just
Well,
on the
then
what
I
would
can
have
always
happened.
re-enter too. Like I know
True.
price like is strong underneath this support. So like, and then it's definitely gonna come back to these old 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 resistance levels. So right there. Oh shit, that was instant money. And should I take my money? This is when you practice like, oh shit. You know, I'm up two
Is it at
bands.
least a 1-to-1?
You know, I can low key just put more shit in the money type shit. Just hold off.
Risk free.
And oh that bitch. Ha! No. Damn.
Ooh.
There. Oh, I thought I got wicked
Top
the
top.
right way. No, I didn't get wicked at all. It's cool. It's cool. I'm cool with that though. I should have closed. That's why it's like close when you in the money, bro. Sometimes you don't
You know what
lose.
I see right there?
Right.
An inverse head and shoulders for me. It's kind of ugly, but I
I'm
mean
still
it's
I'm, I'm still I'm still
downtrend, but
I'm still
that just broke that
bearish though.
high.
I'm still
I'm
bearish.
honestly a little bit bullish on this, but
I'm still bearish
that's
because
if you're
market is.
bearish, you're bearish.
I'm still bearish, especially if market comes back and
See, I see a slight
damn,
rounded bottom with a kind of ugly inverse head and shoulders. It
it's
could
still
retest the
bearish.
resistance, but it also could drop as well.
Thing is bearish as hell because price is continuing staying underneath this support and it's making lower lows, lower low, lower low, lower low. But even though it broke this, let's say price continues. Let's see, it might continue upwards because the lower lows kind of discontinued. Let's see. If price goes below here, price is definitely super bearish. Yeah. He created a new low. See that? Price is creating new lows.
At a new low, but it's not
It's
making
gonna
any big
continue
jumps. It
downwards.
looks like a
It's,
slow bleed.
but it's making lower lows. That's another new low low. In 1 week,
Strictly.
price created one low, two low, three, four, five lows. It's continuing. It's gonna continue to go downward. And then end of the week,
Was
and
our
it's right
lower,
there.
and it's pretty decent week. That week was overall, what is that? It's like a 449 to 445. It's about a 1% move.
To be honest, I
$4.
don't even like the 15 minute though. That's the thing. I don't like the 15. Prices keep making lower low. Too much shit on my chart pissing me off. Try to do a good old cleanup. Clear my head, bro. When in doubt, what do you do, Christian? Zoom the hell out.
Quit forever.
Well, that's you, not me.
I'm just kidding.
That's your ass.
No, that's losers, bro. It's only winners over here.
Damn, look at this slow bleed, bro. God damn. Market slowly bled back to this resistance level. On the daily, though. I'll call my daily.
Any given point, you got a boom coming. That S&P don't play when it's ready to go.
No, for sure. All right. Marked up my, you know.
A break below those equal highs, in my opinion, extremely bearish. A bounce with good structured recovery, extremely bullish. But there's a lot of money to be made in between those two levels as well. But I'm gonna go hit this cigarette right quick. I'll be back. Don't smoke nicotine, kids. It sucks and it's not worth it.
Not good for you. Be like Uncle David. All right, boom. There we go. So what I'm doing. What's up, Angel? What I'm doing is I just started over because I was getting cooked. I was getting cooked in this bitch, and I decided not to really trade like that. Damn. Never. See, things look much more clear now that I know where my daily resistance at and my daily support's at. Damn, I'm so goofy. Getting right here. That motherfucker in my ear, bro. You know how hard it is to trade? That motherfucker's in your ear? Not gonna lie. Well, I'm cursing. I should not be cursing, but hard to trade when someone's in your ear though. Cause I got two thoughts, three. Goddamn. So this ad talking. I'll come up. Off feet. All right. Continue down. Location. Right here. Down. TP. Sell below support. Right there. Right key. Keep this. Stop this shit. Cooked. Okay. Person. Getting cooked. Free. Oh, I missed the buy. Missed the buy. Missed the buy. Make some money. Boom. We missed that.
And we're back.
Instantly start doing better with your eyes now in my ear. You hear me?
Bruh.
You can't have two thoughts, one head, dog.
How many trades did you take in the 5 minutes I was outside?
To like two. One winner, one loss. Damn. Go. Fuck boy. There it is. Oh, damn. I be in the money and until I'm not. Ugh. Getting cooked. Man, winning.
I think the one thing that has been showing importance over the past couple months, it's really hard to get in back testing unless we take our time with every single trade, is actually like looking for the news that came out and then tying the news with our bias, because some of these days you never know if a big economic event came out that would have swayed the market one direction over another. We're trading damn near purely technical. It's really hard to trade fundamentals in a back test, but it's possible. On some of the charts, it'll show the news events, what came out and everything. But technical is still technical. Still follows most rules.
I want to show you this shit. Like, won this trade right here. I actually gotten back. Saw indication. Price started doing high lows. Then it went below support. Then it pushed way below support level. A lot of this should be timing too, bruh. You hear me?
It is.
Cause it's like this whole play right here. I could have timed like I missed it because I didn't time it better. I just
Well, that sell also, I mean, if it's breaking, if it gaps down, the second it breaks that low to the left, it's almost pretty much confirmed short.
yeah right here. This low right here that I already
Well,
marked up.
really, that low that you have, that one.
This one.
Even if it's just a wick, that's the real absolute low. And you can see as soon as it broke that low, it actually retested it, and then after that retest, it gapped down some more, and then she was gone. How many points is that it ran on that downtrend?
It was 20 points.
That's a $20 move.
But it's a $15. If I got in from here. Oh, I just gotta.
That's a lot. That's a big drop.
I think I gotta start marking it up on the hourly thing. Marking it up on the daily, because it makes no sense unless I'm swinging this.
A lot of price action.
A whole lot of price action that happens, especially when you only have 8 hours a day. Different when it's like you have like 24. You know what I'm saying? Candlesticks on the hourly. When you have it on the
Well, you could be using this market with the true SPX chart, because that's what I was saying. Like, what I realized about the options market is it doesn't show. It doesn't show yeah, it doesn't show but the overnight price action is literally just Asia and London, but London can have a lot of price action even for US 30 and SPX and everything. So this is pretty much skipping London price action. It's just showing the reaction of London by whatever size the gap is. If there's no gap, then that means London literally ranged for
the whole night.
The entire Asia and London range, but every time there's a gap, that means either London or Asia moved that market overnight.
Those are more rare though. I'm looking at this. Maybe right here.
Definitely more for SPX than gold. London has power. Gold is traded everywhere. Obviously, the other countries still touch our market, but gold is universal.
And I low key was trash at backtesting today, and I'm sorry, but I'm done. I'm not feeling it. Not me.
Trade corn.
I'm out of here.
You got to go to corn.
Done. Deuces. Not having a good day.
See the